Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a palm tree. Let's start off by drawing a tall and narrow triangle for the tree trunk. Next, draw some curves that start out from the tip of the triangle for the branches. To fill out the leaves, you will draw some zigzags or scribbles along the curves that start out big and get smaller towards the end. It's okay if the leaves start to overlap each other. You can have as many or as few branches as you want. I'm going to add an extra branch here. To add more detail, draw some crisscrossing lines along the trunk. And now you've got a palm tree.